Well, it's important to tally the coronavirus cases and death counts. We understand that getting an update on those numbers every day isn't the only news you need to hear.
There are also stories of recovery, people of all ages getting over the illness, whether they've had severe, moderate, or mild symptoms. And now there's a way for you to track recovery numbers worldwide. ClickOrlando.com's Brianna Voles is here to show us how.
Well, Bridget, every day the Florida Department of Health releases numbers showing how many people have been diagnosed with COVID-19, along with a breakdown including the death toll and number of hospitalizations. That data, however, does not include how many people have tested positive in the past month and have since recovered and returned to their normal lives. Now, according to a statement posted to the FDOH's website, there are some issues that factor into what exactly recovery means. Until some of those issues and definitions are worked out at the local, state, and national level, Florida will not be providing a metric for recovery. But as we mentioned, there is a way for you to get an idea of what the recovery count is like elsewhere. One organization that does track recoveries is the Johns Hopkins Center for Systems Science and Engineering. So we've got that here. If you scroll down in this story, which is over on ClickOrlando.com, you can see this interactive map. It might look familiar to you because we use it in a lot of our coronavirus related articles. To see the recovery column, you're going to go over to the right here, and it's full screen so you can get a better idea of what's happening here. You want to view this on your desktop computer because they do not have the recovery numbers yet in the browser view on your mobile phone. So if you come over here to this right column, you're just going to scroll through the green and you can see they have recovery numbers which are constantly updated. In the green here, you see New York has 58,363 recovered, and you can scroll through to the state that you're looking for if they're reporting. For example, Louisiana has more than 22,600 already recovered. Then we're going to take you back to this article where you can see the map again, and just remember that all of this is over on ClickOrlando.com. Those are the recovery numbers for the United States, and it's all according to Johns Hopkins Global Coronavirus Tracker. The latest data shows that 1,420,000 people have already recovered worldwide after testing positive for the coronavirus. So we do need to talk about those recoveries as much as we also need to talk about the positive tests. And just be sure to keep checking. We update this constantly over at ClickOrlando.com/coronavirus. And if you remember, I showed you guys another interactive map last week. You can find that over on our website as well, ladies.
Bree, thank you.